In this question, you're asked to integrate 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x power n dx, and integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. Second, we use the same property because the lower limit is equal to 0 and the upper limit is 1. The property says that you can substitute 1 minus x in the place of x. So in this form, this integration is difficult to do because 1 minus x power n has a binomial expansion. You get n plus 1 different terms. So if I multiply with x, you get n plus 1 different terms. You need to integrate each one of them. So let I is equal to 0 to 1 x times 1 minus x power n dx. So I is also equal to integration 0 to 1. You can put 1 minus x in the place of x, right? So x becomes 1 minus x, and 1 minus of 1 minus x becomes x power n dx. So this integral is exactly same as this integral. So I'll find this integral because this is very much easier than finding this limit. Because 0 to 1, if you expand it, you get x power n minus x power n plus 1 dx. That is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x power n plus 2 by n plus 2 from 0 to 1. So if you put the limits 1 and 0 here, you get 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. So n plus 2 minus of n plus 1 is 1 by n plus 1 times n plus 2 is the answer. So whenever you have a higher power with 1 minus x, when you put 1 minus x in the place of x, this becomes x. So the term with a power becomes very small. You can do the bracket expansion. The same thing happens here. So here 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 has an infinite expansion. So if you do that expansion and try to find this integral, get infinite number of terms. So a better way is I is equal to 0 to 1. If you put 1 minus x in the place of x, you get 1 minus x times x power 3 by 2 dx. This is also equal to this. So instead of finding this integral, I'll find this integral. This is equal to integration from 0 to 1 x power 3 by 2 minus x power 5 by 2 dx. That is equal to x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 from 0 to 1. So if you put the limits, 1 minus 0 becomes 1. So 1 into 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 4 by 35. So this will be the answer to this question.